Hey guys, it's Ryan with AIinsidertips.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can find viral content ideas to explode your social media growth using AI. Now, you can use this either ChatGPT, you can use Claude, you can use Gemini for this process, but in this example, I'm going to be using GPT-4 and also Claude 3 Opus is what I'm going to be using in this example. So the very first step to find these viral content ideas is to copy and paste the following prompt. Now, I will leave this prompt in the video description below for you guys to get access to. But before I do this, I first want to give credit to where I got this idea from. And I got it from an account called the AI Solopreneur, which is managed by Ole Lehman, is the personal brand behind this AI Solopreneur. So I will leave a link to both the Ole Lehman account and also the AI Solopreneur account in the video description below. And I highly recommend you guys follow this creator. He's one of my favorites. So I first want to point that out before I just start diving in and give credit where credit is due. So here is the prompt. I want you to help me find viral topic ideas for my social media posts. For context on me, my business, and the type of content that I write, here is more background info. And this is where you would insert information about your background info. I've attached an image of a wheel, which includes the most search questions about insert topic. And I will get to this here in a second on what this means by image of a wheel. Based on the attached image, I want you to come up with 20 viral content ideas based on these questions on the wheel. Never use colons, semicolons, or hashtags. So I've already generated my response. And this is pretty long, where it says insert context here. Yours doesn't have to be this long. But mine is, I'm an entrepreneur passionate about AI, content creation, affiliate marketing, yada, yada, yada. Talking about how I want to create content for AI, ChatGPT, AI news, AI tips and tricks, things of that nature. And then I've attached an image of a wheel, which includes the most search for questions about ChatGPT. So this is the prompt that I'm going to use on ChatGPT. I'm going to copy and paste this, and I'm going to start a new chat. But before I do this and before I hit enter, there's a very important step here. The next step is to go to a website called answerthepublic.com. I'll leave a link to that in the description below as well. And once you do that, you'll just need to sign up quickly for a free account. And then once you sign up for a free account, you should enter a screen that looks like this. And so all I'm going to do is click ChatGPT. So what this tool does is it shows you all the trending topics and trending ideas based on a root keyword. So I'm going to use ChatGPT, United States, English. I'm going to click search. And you do, I believe, get 3 searches. So it does take a little time for this to populate. So I'm going to come back after this is complete. All right, and here is what Answer the Public created. So based on the root keyword of ChatGPT, it created this wheel here showing me all sorts of questions, all sorts of other search queries that people are asking on Google related to ChatGPT. I believe this is 60 questions, maybe something like that. But anyways, the purpose here, guys, or the point of this is that this tool now is finding all sorts of relevant search queries that are related to ChatGPT that people are searching on Google. So this is how we know that we have potential to go viral, is when we're creating content based on what people are searching for, not just throwing content at the wall and hope it sticks and that we go viral someday. That is not a viable strategy. So then what you want to do once you get this created, and again, whatever topic you want to insert, it doesn't have to be ChatGPT. If you're, big in racquetball or you're big in pickleball, you could type in pickleball, and then this would generate questions or queries around pickleball. And then what you would do is you would click Save Image. Now it's going to prompt you to upgrade to the higher tier to pay this money to this tool. Just click No Thanks, and you'll see here it says Generating Image. So then it takes a little bit for this image to generate. So I'm going to come back, or here's the image right here. I thought it was going to take longer than that. So then what you would do is just drag this image off to your desktop. I'm going to rename this here and just say ATP for Answer the Public, ChatGPT, just so I can quickly find it on my desktop. And then once you do that, come back to ChatGPT. Here is the prompt that I copy and pasted from this original document here. And then what you want to do is upload the image, and let's utilize ChatGPT's vision component. So where is my thing? So ATP ChatGPT, here I'm uploading the image of that graph or that circle. I'm going to hit enter. And guys, while this is formulating a response, I'm going to skip ahead and wait until after this is finished. All right, so ChatGPT has finished this output. It did take about a minute, maybe a minute and a half for this to finalize, but it says, given your focus and background, content ideas inspired by your most searched questions about ChatGPT can be both engaging and valuable. Here are 20 content ideas that might have potential to go viral, considering the interests of people in AI and making money online. So it says video series, Mastering ChatGPT. That's funny because I actually had that idea of doing some sort of video series tutorial on ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini. So that's funny how that's number one, because that's literally an idea that I thought of. Infographic, that's not a bad idea. Interview with a power user, ChatGPT for beginners, streaming workflows, webinar, AI and affiliate marketing. That's not a bad idea. Expert roundup, success stories, listicle, AI versus human content. That's a good idea. AI versus human content creation. These aren't all going to be great ideas, guys, but majority of these should be, and these should snap any writer's block. At the very least, it should just give you some ideation on ideas that you can use to just start creating content and take action. And at the end, it says each of these ideas can be tailored to suit different formats: articles, videos, podcasts, infographics, and social media posts. They're crafted to engage an audience that's curious about AI's practical applications in content creation and online business. So this is just really cool, guys. I'm super impressed with the output here that this prompt generated. Now, you can also do the same thing with Claude 3, since Claude 3 does have that vision capability. So I did the exact same thing, and Claude 3 came up with some good ideas as well. 10 mind-blowing ways ChatGPT can boost your productivity. That's a good idea for a clickbait YouTube video. From marketing to coding, future of content creation, ChatGPT versus human writers, another great idea. I like this one, unlocking the secrets of ChatGPT. Anytime you use secrets in a title, it seems to be very clickbaity and people like that. ChatGPT success stories, entrepreneurs share their AI-powered wins. That's a pretty cool idea. Myths, ethics of AI, ChatGPT, zero to hero, rise of AI personal development, ChatGPT for beginners, obviously, experiments, case studies. Just some other really cool ideas here. And at the end, it says, these ideas aim to capitalize on the trending questions about ChatGPT while aligning with your expertise. Focus on providing valuable insights, tips, and real-world examples to engage your AI-interested audience and establish yourself as a go-to resource in the field. So that's it, guys. Again, I'm just showing you here how you can also use Claude 3 in addition to ChatGPT for this prompt to give you some ideas. So that's just a kind of a quick video on how you can find viral content ideas with the help of AI. So guys, the last thing to mention is if you haven't already gotten my free guide on the best AI side hustles, you can get this below in the video description or pinned comment. In this free guide, I show you my favorite AI side hustles that have helped me generate more than $5,000 a month in passive income online. And again, you can find this below this video, and this is 100% for free. So I appreciate you all watching this video. If you've made it this far, be sure to like this video if you found value. Be sure to also follow the AI solopreneur and Ole, as I really enjoy him. He's one of my favorite creators, so I have to give credit to him again at the end of this video. Be sure to subscribe to AI Insider Tips if you haven't already. Guys, also leave me a comment below. Are there any other prompts or ideas that you're using or using AI to help you generate some viral content ideas? I really want to hear your thoughts in the comment section below. And guys, I hope you all have a great day.